Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create Google account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already downloaded Gmail app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. You can also use the browser to create Gmail account, but it would be easier if you download this Gmail app and create account from it. Watch this video till the end so you will be knowing that how to create Google account. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Gmail app. Here we go. Now at the bottom you can see that option sign in. Tap on that. Now choose the option Google. Now tap on continue. Now here you have to tap on that option create account. Now you have to choose the option for yourself or to manage your business. Here I will be choosing the option for myself, and now you have to fill up this information. Firstly, you have to enter your first name and then you have to enter your last name. After you fill up this information, tap on next. Now you have to select your date of birth, firstly month and then day and then year. Now select your gender. After you fill up this information, tap on next. Now you can choose the Gmail address or also you can create your own Gmail address. Here I will be choosing the second option and then tapping on next. Now you have to create a strong password for your Gmail account and then tap on next. You have to enter your phone number or also you can skip this process. For now, I will be skipping this process. Now tap on next. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on the option I agree. Wait for a few seconds. Tap on sign in on the bottom. Here you can see that I have easily created my Google account. I hope now you guys know how to create your Google account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.